Jamaican man extradited to the US on lottery scamming charges.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A Jamaican national who was wanted in the United States has been extradited to face criminal charges relating to lottery scamming. The US Embassy, via their Twitter page on Monday afternoon, disclosed that the man, identified as Romario Murray, was wanted by the US Postal Inspection Service on a federal warrant for mail and wire fraud. The post included a photo of Murray handcuffed while exiting a car on the tarmac of the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston. The embassy did not state the date that Murray was extradited. According to the US Embassy, the indictment against Murray alleges his involvement in a lottery scamming syndicate that defrauded multiple victims. The individuals were scammed US $300,000, which at the current exchange rate is the equivalent of approximately 47 million Jamaican dollars.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!